down low. See if you can get down low.
Here, hand it. Here.
There you go.
There you go. Oh. Yeah, you got it. You gonna give him some more, Ava? Go ahead, give him some more. Go ahead, lay down. Yeah, put it down there. Oh, gotta push it farther. Oh. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, Ava, give him a couple more, and then give him some other ones. You gotta push it farther, Ava. Yep. Good job. All right, now let's give some other ones. Ava, come over this way. Yeah, do you have more, Ava? Here you go. You wanna just throw them in?
Oh. Sorry, Dad. I gave him one. Ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna give that big one. Here you go, Duck. I hit him right in the mouth. Yep. Lexi, do you have enough? Lexi, don't feed the pigeons.
They
Feed
like
the ducks.
this is one.
Nope, they didn't see that.
They're not getting it.
I think they're getting them.
I'm feeding this one.
Good job, Ava.